Hello everybody! I'm going to show you how to make a salad today. Today's salad is pretty easy but colorful and tasty. The ingredients are a little bit unique. I'm gonna use red cabbage and orange and dried fig and walnuts and some dressing. This dressing, I have another video how to make it, so please check it later. Or you can also use your favorite dressing too. Ingredients are not too many, but it is really delicious salad, so please try it. Okay, first I'm going to cut my red cabbage. Take off the outer leaf first. Now I cut my red cabbage. Okay, now I'm gonna put on my cooking gloves. Transfer to the bowl. Okay, now sprinkle with some salt. Now I'm going to make my cabbage tender. This is actually the key point of this recipe. Make sure to knead the cabbage until some juice come out. Then now squeeze out some juice. Then transfer to a mixing bowl. Okay, now I'm gonna chop up my orange. This is dried fig. And now walnuts. I'm gonna pour some dressing. Then mix well.